One of the essential parts of creating a successful YouTube channel is being able to create a professional banner. And creating a YouTube banner or YouTube ads that look good in all devices is very essential. Your YouTube banner should be visible in all devices. It should be visible on TV, on desktop, and even on mobile, on your phones. So today I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube banner or YouTube ads that looks good in all devices. Hey besties, my name is Chinenye, and on this YouTube channel, I share my journey on my YouTube growth, and also I share tips and strategy on how to grow a YouTube channel from scratch. So hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that we grow together. If you're a new YouTuber, let me know on the comment section. And if you're a big YouTuber or a successful creator on YouTube, also let us know on the comment section, and so that we'll be encouraged that growing on YouTube is very possible. And if possible, kindly leave a word of encouragement to new YouTubers or YouTubers that have been stuck on YouTube for years on the comment section. So guys, let's head over to our phone. Let me show you how to do this using your mobile. And the app we'll be using for this design is Canva. So if you don't have Canva installed on your phone, kindly go ahead and go to Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the phone you are using, and install the app. Head over to your phone and click on Play Store to download the app if you don't have it. Tap on the search icon and type Canva. I already have it installed on my phone, so I will just click on open. If it is not installed on your phone, just click on that install button and download it to your phone, and then click on open. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this home page. Here you can design or create any design you want to. So Canva is one of the tools you need as a new beginner on YouTube or any social media handle. It is easy to use, it's beginner friendly, it have a lot of templates you can customize to suit your preference. So right now, let's just click on that search template, click on it and type in what you want to search. So there are two ways to do this. The first way is to type in your search, type it on that box. So just type in YouTube banner or YouTube channel banner and it will bring you to this interface. We have the option to create a blank YouTube banner, like to create from this, from afresh. You have control over everything you are going to do by yourself, or you have the option to choose from all these templates and just customize them to suit your brand. You can just change the picture, change the color to your color brand. You can change the fonts, change everything to like just customize it to suit your brand. But one disadvantage of this is that most of the times all those banners are not mobile friendly. Like some of the words, some of the elements used might not be visible on your mobile. Like this one I'm marking right here. This particular second one is only that profile picture that will be showing there. I don't think that vlog will show, or the daily. Even this one is this Samira Adid will not show. This Daniel something, only the name will be showing, but the picture is not going to show at all. Now this particular one will be visible in all devices, so you can just click on it and customize it to suit your brand, because this will be very visible on mobile. The second way to do this is to click on the plus sign and choose your custom size. So the custom size of a YouTube banner is 2560 by 1440 pixels. So once you type in the size, then click on create design. So it will automatically give you a blank template that you can design. So I don't want a white background, so I will just go ahead and click on it to change the color to my brand color. But if you want a white background like this, you can just leave it. So I want a darker color for my brand, so I will either choose black or this gray blue. If you want to use this color all across your social media handles, then just copy the code. Just go ahead and click on that color and copy the code. So copy this out or copy and paste somewhere. Now let's move to our design. To make our design visible on mobile and in all devices, we need to create a save zone or save space. To create your save zone or save space, click on the elements icon and search for square shapes. So I will just choose this square shape right here, and then it will appear inside my template. Now using those dots, those circles right there, zoom it to form a rectangle shape. Just tap on any part of it and drag it to get wider. So as you're zooming it, you can see the size displaying. The normal size for safe zone is 1546 by 423 pixels. So try as much as possible to zoom and drag it until you get the required size, or something a bit closer to that size, but not something more than that required size. Make sure the safe zone is on the middle. So just drag it up and down until you get the right size. So all our design, everything we'll be adding will be inside this box. Now the next thing to do is to reduce the visibility of this box. So just go in and go ahead and tap on the box and then choose transparency. Now click on it and reduce it to 23. You can also choose to do the design without adding this box, but adding this shape or safe zone give you control over your design, so you are sure of what you are doing. The next option is to add our professional picture or logo. Now don't add your picture with a background. Since I'm using a picture of myself, I'll go ahead and remove it. You can remove it using Canva Pro, or you can just click on your Chrome browser and search for background remover. So just tap on that background remover right there and then choose this first search results, remove.bg. Now once you're inside the website, just click on the upload image, choose the picture you want to use, and then just give it a few seconds and it will help you remove the background. Now click on the download button and click on free download, and it will download it to your phone. Once this is downloaded, let's head over to our Canva app. I want my photo to appear circular on the design. Click on the elements icon and search for frames. So I'll just choose that circle frame right here, and then it will give us a lot of frames that we can use for our design. So once you find the one you want, just tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will automatically appear on your design. So drag to make it smaller to fit the safe zone. Now tap on your screen and then go to the gallery option, tap on it, and then choose the picture, we remove the background and add it to the page. So I'll just go ahead and adjust the picture to become smaller and fit the safe zone. Now just grab the frame to the picture and then drag the picture in, and both will be merged together and they will become just one single picture. So I'll go ahead and place it where I want it to stay. Once the picture is set up properly, the next step is to add your niche name or your YouTube channel name. So click on the text icon and it will bring us here. Now tap on that add a heading. The text box will automatically appear on our design. Now make sure to place it at the top of the save zone. Now go ahead and zoom it in. You can also click on that font size to select the size you want. Then tap on it and write your name. So just write something related to your niche, or it can also be your channel name. So the font is still too big, so I will just go ahead and reduce it and then fix it properly. Now expand it by dragging that white line. Now once expanded, drag it and position it properly. Next, I will change the color to yellow. For you can just choose any color of your choice, any color that represents your brand. Now let's go ahead and add a tagline. Tap on add a subheading. You can decide to change the color and then go ahead and write your tagline. So your tagline is just a little insight of what your channel is all about, the content you will be creating. Now go ahead and change the font. Just click on the font and you can choose one or two fonts. So for me, for the tagline, I use Calam, and for the YouTube roots, the main text, I use Open Sans. Next, you can either add a subscribe button or add the time you post your video. So just click on that, add a subheading, and then for me, I'll be writing new video every week or every Monday. Just follow the same process as before and type in your text. So guys, before we continue, kindly hit on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. This is your way of encouraging me, and also this will make me feel that I'm doing something good. And also don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. I need your opinions, your thoughts, and anywhere you want me to improve on this video, please let me know. And whatever video you want me to do next, also leave a comment on the comment section and I'll be at your service. So let's go ahead and make this a bit visible. So what I will do is to click on the elements icon and then type in rectangle shapes. So I will choose this particular one right here and it will appear on the design. Then I will go ahead and adjust it to fit the new video every Monday. The next thing I did was to change the color of the rectangle from brown and black to yellow and white, and also I changed the color of the font to gray blue. The next thing to do is to add a subscribe button. It's optional, but I want to add a subscribe button, so I'll go to that elements part and type in subscribe button. They are free ones to use and there are some that you have to be on pro before you use it. I'll just choose the one I want and then drop it there. Then the next thing I will do is to add a pointing finger. So I will just follow the same step, go to the elements bar and then click on the pointing finger I want and then change it or customize it the way I want. Right now you can see my subscribe button is outside the safe zone, so that means it will not appear on mobile, but it will be visible on TV. I will show you in a bit. After you're done with the design, click on the save zone and delete it. You can also leave it if you want the color on your design. Once you are done with the design, click on the download button, choose PNG and then download it to your phone gallery. The video above explain how to set up your YouTube channel properly, including how to upload your YouTube banner to your channel. So this is the way it will look on youtube.studio.com. So you can see that that subscribe button is outside the safe zone. That is why it will be only visible on TV. So let's go ahead and see how our design will look on mobile. So you can see that all the elements are visible on mobile except the subscribe button. If you want, you can fix the subscribe button inside the save zone. Thanks for watching up to this point. If you want to set up a successful YouTube channel from scratch, kindly click on the link showing right here now and watch that video on how to set up a YouTube channel from scratch. If you are planning to open a YouTube channel or you have already opened a YouTube channel and you don't know how to set it up the right way, then you must watch this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.